Hello there and welcome back to this video series on programming for problem solving using C language. After watching this video, you will be able to specify the types of operators available in C language, explain the precedence, that is priority in which the arithmetic operators are evaluated in a given expression in C language. Let us begin by looking at these very specifically. There are 7 types of operators that combine either constants or variables or expressions to form bigger expressions. These are arithmetic, increment, decrement, assignment, relational, logical, bitwise, and size of operator. If you find it difficult to remember these 7, as a mnemonic, remember the word BAILARS. Okay, B for bitwise operator, A for arithmetic operator, I for increment, L for logical, A for assignment, R for relational, and S for size of operator. With that, we'll see a few examples of arithmetic operators and wind up this video. There are 5 arithmetic operators. This is for addition, this is for subtraction, this asterisk is for multiplication, this is for division, and this is for finding the remainder. It is called modulo. This percentage symbol is modulo operator. Okay, this modulo operator gives the remainder of division, but it works only with integers. Don't try to use it with floating point numbers. Of these, your asterisk, that is multiplication, division, and modulo operator, these last three have higher precedence, higher priority than addition and subtraction. Okay, so those will be evaluated first. The expression is read from left to right, and those that have higher priority are evaluated first, and then the lower priority ones are evaluated. If a few operators in the expression have same precedence, the one which is leftmost will be evaluated first. This may be confusing to begin with, but as you go along, I'm sure you will pick it up. Let us see a few examples and then we'll try to see. Consider the expression 2 plus 3 star 7. Okay, each expression in C language has a value, and to compute that value, it will scan the entire expression and identify what are the operators. Here there are 2 operators, plus and star. This star has higher priority, so this star is evaluated first. 3 star 7 is 21, and then it will again scan with 2 plus 21. There is only one operator and it will be evaluated. So 2 plus 21, 23 is the value of the expression. Let us try to see a bit longer expression, one that is a bit more involved. Okay, consider this example: 2 plus 3 star 8% 3 minus 5. Okay, I would strongly encourage you to pause the video, evaluate the expression by yourself, and then slowly go through each change in the little animation. We will see that there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 operators. Of these, star and percentage have higher priority than plus and minus. So it will evaluate the leftmost operation, that is 3 star 8, and this 3 star 8 is evaluated as 24. So you have the expression 2 plus 24 star 3 minus 5. Okay, again this 24% 3, that is the remainder when 24 is divided by 3, is evaluated, which is 0. So 2 plus 0 minus 5 minus 3 is the value of the expression. Let us look at another example here: 2 plus 3 by 8 star 3 minus 5. Again there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 operators. Out of these 4 operators, this division and multiplication have higher priority. This being the leftmost, it is evaluated first. 3 by 8, carefully remember, is 0. in C language, because 3 is integer, 8 is integer. The result of this operation is also an integer. So the fractional part is truncated. So 3 by 8 is 0. 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. 2 minus 5, again it is evaluated to minus 3. Okay. Carefully follow through the animation to understand. Then these animations were shown for clarity and visual appeal. When you present these in written exam, you perhaps would write the following shown in black. For example, if this is the expression, you would write expression is 2 plus 3 star 8 minus 5. Then 3 star 8 is evaluated first, 2 plus 24 minus 5. Then stage 2, 2 plus 24 is evaluated next. Then 26 minus 5. 26 minus 5 is evaluated, 21 is the value of the expression. So when you write in examination, you would write what is shown in the black. Similarly, this is another example showing arithmetic operators. Carefully notice 8 by 3 is evaluated as 2 because the fractional part is truncated. Okay. If you want to change the precedence, if you want to change the priority, for example, in this expression, if you want to evaluate 4 minus 1 first, then you put these round brackets around it. If you want to evaluate the next expression, you put round brackets around it. And when the C compiler looks at this expression, it will evaluate the innermost parenthesis first. So it will evaluate 4 minus 1. Then it will evaluate 8 plus 3 into 3. Then it will evaluate multiplication by 5. Then it will evaluate addition with 2. Then it will evaluate with 100. So the value is 187. It takes a little bit of practice and getting used to these expressions. But as we go along, I am sure you will pick it up. That's all we have for now. Have a great day.